Good morning, gang. It's your girl Jot. Zoladon's Fresh Market. Let's go see what's sprouting in the garden this week. Today is July 8th, Tuesday, July 8th. And we're going to see what's sprouting on the patio. I can see this tomato plant is huge right outside the door already. See that tomato plant? It's huge. Get out here. Alright. See that tomato plant is huge. And we got some tomatoes sprouting on the tomato plant. You can see right there. We got a couple more sprouting. And over here we got some little buds happening. So we're gonna have some tomatoes right there soon. So that's a good thing sprouting. Tomato plant. Down there in the pot, we got some things happening. It might be weeds, y'all. I'm not sure if they're plants or not. I'm gonna wait and see what happens. Got some hot peppers growing up right here. I think this is an heirloom zucchini plant, but y'all can see it's looking good. That mat is going big. Look at that Thai basil. I gotta make me some fried rice soon. Thai basil fried rice. That plant's looking amazing. Over here, got some tomatoes. Lots of tomatoes happening on this plant. You can see, got lots of tomatoes there. I have not put any more lettuce in yet, y'all. Look at our basil here. Sweet basil trying to go to seed. I'm gonna pluck those off. This part here, we don't want it to go to seed. So I wanted to get that off of there. Over there. Closer, you can see our zucchini. It's looking good. Here we got some more buds happening. Hopefully we'll get some zucchini this time. The last ones, the birds pecked them off. Get rid of that spider web. You see that spider? That spider, y'all. That's a purple bell pepper plant there that's getting big. And we got a zucchini plant that's growing out of the pot over there. You can see. Got something going right here. Some more zucchini looks up popping right there. The carrot tops are looking good. This is a huge weed. And our Swiss chard, sorry gang. The Swiss chard is looking good. Our spinach pot. Our spinach didn't quite make it. Something's eating the spinach. And down behind that neck, y'all, we got a tomato plant growing in there. Still pretty small. I need to maneuver around on the porch. I can see the garden is taking over my porch, but that's okay. I'd rather have food. The pineapple sage is looking good. Y'all can smell that. It smells so good. Look at this. Humongous. Hold on, man. Caught up in the web. Sorry, I'm caught up in the web. Y'all can see this zucchini plant is huge. Look at those. Look at that pretty bud. Isn't that beautiful? Over here we got some chives. And our okra didn't make it, I guess. So I might need to reseed on our okra. So yeah. That's what we got sprouting this week in the garden. That's what we got sprouting this week in the garden. Our porch is covered. I'll take it. I'll take it. Our porch is covered. It's your girl Jot from Zoladon's Fresh Market. And I'll catch y'all on the next video. Bye.